welcome back to my channel Vibe with Vimmi. This time we are on a trip to Mangaluru, the coastal city of Karnataka, which is also known as Tulunadu. One of the things that we usually do is temple run. And today we are going to Bennekudru, which is an island, to visit
Kulamahastri temple. It's the Kuladevata of Mogavira community.
We have reached the entrance to the temple of Shri Kulamahastri Amma, who is regarded as the Kuladevi of Magavira community. Magavira is popularly known as the fishermen community of Tulunadu, Mangaluru, but if you delve deeper, they are also the warrior community. So Magavira, loosely translated as the brave son of the soil, Magavira. So now we are at Kulamahastri Amma temple.
Kulamahastri is called Mahalakshmi also. One temple is here earlier, so people who are coming from faraway places like Mangalore, they find it difficult to come here, so they took blessings of this Kuladevata and they started a temple in Uchila.
This is the first time I am coming here. So in that sense, I am blessed to be here. My first visit to our Kuldevi. As we just heard, the devotees took the soil from Kuldevi's temple, took it to Uchila, a place between Udupi and Mangaluru, and built a huge Mahalakshmi temple. For now, let's go inside Shri Kulamahastri Amma's abode.
Sundarim Devim Bennekudru Stitam Ramam Varabayari Shankadyam Dhyayet Kulamahastriyam.
The goddess here is also known as Samudra Sundari, the beautiful ocean goddess of coastal Karnataka. The temple complex also houses a shrine dedicated to Veerabhadra. Veerabhadra is seen as a powerful guardian figure, taking on different protective forms, including Kshetrapala, the protector of the sacred space.
पहले के ज़माने में मेरा मम्मी लोग का जो इधर आने का टाइम में इधर आने के लिए रास्ता बराबर नहीं था, रोड भी नहीं था, तो टू गेट डाउन एट ब्रह्मावरा ब्रिज का उधर उतर के उधर से जंगल रोड एक दो बोट को ज्वाइन करके उसमें से बैठ के इधर का यात्रा का समय में एक दो दिन पहला आना पड़ता था। देन दैट रिवर से इधर तक वो लेके आते थे, देन इधर यात्रा होता था। एवरी ईयर यात्रा में इट्स कंपल्सरी टू कम फ्रॉम far away place, from Padavitri, from Mangalore, people are coming that way only. They have to get down at Brahma river को उधर उतर के उस रिवर में से इधर आना पड़ता था।
बट अब या बहुत सालों से यहाँ एक ब्रिज बना दिया गया है, बिकॉज ये आइलैंड है तो पहले लोग पानी क्रॉस करके आते थे, बोट में आते थे, बट अभी जब से ब्रिज बनाया गया है, इट इज़ ईजियर फॉर पीपल टू ट्रैवल टू दिस प्लेस. Within the temple complex, there is a space dedicated to all the previous gurus of Magavira community. And the last guru was Shri Madhava Mangala Acharya. One thing to note is that all these gurus are carrying a sword in their hand. So my curious mind wanted to know the reason for this, and here you go. और ये सारे गुरुओं के हाथ में sword क्यों है?
Because we are Mogaviras, अपना warrior ये community है. We are from the warrior community. We adopted fishing.
Oh, we are from the warrior community. इसलिए मैं सोचूं मैं इतना झगड़ा क्यों करती? So jokes apart, as we walk forward next to the space dedicated to the gurus, there is a space dedicated to Parivara Daivas. As we walked ahead, we saw display of some of the boats. I'm assuming these may be the boats that were used during those days. अब ये जो हो रहा है इसके बारे में कुछ बता सकते हो आप? इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
इसको तुला भार होता है।
हाँ।
तो जो मन्नत मांगते हैं ना,
हाँ।
उसके हिसाब से तुला भार। इसको भी अभी बच्चा हो गया, बच्चे के लिए कुछ मन्नत मांगे होंगे,
हाँ।
उसको बच्चे को हाथ में पकड़ के उसको तुला भरे।
Tula Bhara or Tula Dan is a ritual where a person is weighed against something valuable, usually gold, silver, or most commonly grains and other offerings. It is basically done as a form of gratitude towards God for fulfilling a vow or to seek blessings. We were lucky enough to witness the aarti that is performed during noon time, that is just before the afternoon break. This is the temple dedicated to Shri Madhava Mangala Pujari, the last guru of Magavira community.
जय देवी का इसमें बाहर माला साविरा परिवार दैव, इधर साल का जो अपना उत्सव होता है ना, जो दिसंबर मंथ में उत्सव होने के बाद इधर कोला होता है, ये दैव का मूर्ति है अंदर।
For those uninitiated, जो कांतारा मूवी में आप लोग ने देखा है वही है कोला।
कोला।
Okay, moving ahead within the temple complex, we go towards the Naga temple. As you enter this space, you would feel the vibe of this place. So peaceful, so calm, so divine. You could actually sit in meditation and soak in all the divine energy that is present here. Absolutely amazing. As most of you all might be knowing that Tulunadu is called the land of Nagas. I may cover why is it so and why Naga Devta is worshipped in Tulunadu in my another vlog video. As I said before, even while doing Pradakshina, you could feel the nothingness here, the peace, the calm of the space. So one thing you find in South Indian temples is free food. That means langar. यहाँ भी होता है. मैं अभी खा रही हूँ खीर, क्योंकि बाकी सब मैंने खत्म कर दिया. Okay. So the main reason for our visit to this place was because it was my mom's 75th birthday and we had been blessed with an opportunity to sponsor that day's lunch in her name.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
So now it's time for us to head back and look at the view. The place is surrounded by water. As we said earlier, this is an island by the name Bennekutru. Hope you have enjoyed this video and hopefully you'll soon visit this place to immerse yourself in this divine spirituality here. Till that time, I will continue making more such videos. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.